Happy snow day, everybody. Hopefully, the first of many. Um, why did the boy bring a snowball to school? He thought it was snow and tell. Hilarious. Since we don't have school today, I know you're bored when you're done with your snowball fights and sledding. Go to this website, iCivics. That's what we were going to do in class today. And you have today, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. I won't see you till Monday. Um, Check out iCivics.org. You guys have a class code that I put on Classroom. Code's also right here. I want you to join my class using the code, where are we? Stone 98249. It asks you to sign in. You can sign in with a code or without a code. We have a code. So you want to sign in with a code and join our class. You can still play the games without, but it makes more sense to join my class because then you can save your games as you go. So the game that we're going to play, or that we were going to play in class that I want you to play at home on your own time is called Immigration Nation. And it's all about who is allowed entry into the United States. And what are the reasons why somebody is allowed entry into the United States. So click on it, have fun with it. It's not incredibly difficult, but I think there's a little bit of a challenge there, and there's some learning involved. It relates to our next unit on citizenship. So go have fun, enjoy your snow day. Everybody stay safe, and I'll see you next week.